Hi guys, so today we have the opportunity for Changan CS95. It has a great look, auto folded mirrors, wireless entry, and pretty heavy door. It looks great from inside and it looks premium. Tons of options. Steering wheel have a lot of controls, touch screen, or whatever you can say this, analog controls for the air condition premium feeling. Let's start this. It's a very quiet, but there is a hum inside the cabin of the engine, and sorry for the voiceover, so you cannot hear it. There were a few mistakes in the original sound. Nice illuminated speedometer, touch screen with tons of settings, nice lines, especially the LED display or LED lines. It has all the options, many options, like Chinese put a lot of options in this one, especially this line, these lines on the LED lines on the dashboard. So see, this one is in normal and the color is white or blue. So if you will change the mode, now it's in snow mode, so it's blue. Sports mode is red, and normal mode is sky blue. So like, it's great, it's amazing. Okay, we are going to test the speed and acceleration. We will reach up to 140 and 150 something, and let's hope for the best. By the way, the ride quality is not that much good, but the car feels nice. Economy, sport, snow, normal, eco. Okay. यार, good one. 2.0 turbo.